Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this curved roof trusses. Let's get started. So to start, let's click on a new architecture template. Let's add in the wall, and then this wall will be connected to the level 2. I'm just gonna create two walls like this, and then press escape. Let's add in a reference plane, and let's put the reference plane in the front of the wall, and then let's just rename this to roof, and then press enter. Press escape, and then after that go to structure and then click on truss. We would like to load a truss. Scroll down and then go to structural trusses, and then let's look at the trusses we have right here. We just need a truss that is horizontal, which is like this one, which is flat. So I kind of like this one and this one. So I'll choose this instead. So let's open it, and then we're gonna add it in the front here. So once you're done, let's go and look at it at 3D. So it looks like this. Press escape and then click on the truss again. We're gonna change this to 4000 so that it's at the top of the wall, and then click apply. And then as you remember, we added a reference plane in front, and it's called roof. Now we need to go to elevation, and then the south elevation, and then go to massing and site, in place mass, and then press OK. You can change the name to whatever you want, and then after that select spline through points, and then pick a plane, or remember we created a reference plane that it's called roof, so we're gonna choose that now. Press OK, and then now we can draw our roof. So this roof, let's go crazy like this. So something like this. And then create a form. So select this. Let's go to 3D. We can stretch it from here, or we could just go to level 1 or level 2 and stretch it from there. Change it to fine so that we can see it properly, shaded, and then press escape first, and then go and look for view range. unlimited, and then change this to apply and then OK. Now we'll be able to see it properly. Change this back to hidden line. And then we're just extending this to something like that. So once you're happy with your roof, you can then hit finish. Don't worry about that. Press escape and then go back to massing inside and then click on roof, and then we're gonna select this and then create roof. Now that the roof is created, let's go back to south elevation. As you can see, we can only see a line here. Always change it to fine so that you can see all. And then now the only thing we need to do is select this and then attach to top and bottom. So after that, select the roof. Give it some time. It is calculating. So as you can see, the top chord conforms to the shape of the roof. So the next thing you need to do is you just need to clean up. So as you can see here, there's a lot of beams that you don't need. For example, this one, or a lot of webs that you don't need. What you have to do is unpin this. So to unpin everything instantly, select everything and then click unpin. So everything is unpinned now. It's easy to change this. So click on tab to select and then delete. So just keep on doing that in order to clean up. What you can also do is you can select each of this and then you need to stretch it and stretch it below as well. As you can see, it's not touching there. So this is the time consuming part. here is the look once it's done. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.